Hey there! Ever dreamed about earning money while you're sleeping, deployed, or just relaxing with family? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to build a passive income machine from home. Perfect for active duty military and veterans just like you. Let's dive right in. So first, what's passive income? Imagine planting a garden. You put effort into planting once, but then you can enjoy fruits season after season. Passive income works the same way. You set it up once, and it generates money continuously. Now let's talk about the easiest ways to build this income machine. First up, affiliate marketing. Have you ever recommended your favorite gear to a buddy? That's affiliate marketing. You make money when people buy stuff because of your recommendations. Next up, digital products. These can be ebooks, online courses, or even printables. You create them once and sell them over and over, like baking cookies once and having an endless batch to sell. Finally, dropshipping. You sell products online without ever touching the inventory. Suppliers ship directly to your customers. It's like owning a store without handling stock. But how do we automate this machine? Well, that's the best part. You set up automated funnels and email marketing. These tools work around the clock for you. They guide customers, send friendly reminders, and convert visitors into buyers, even while you're deployed or relaxing at home. And remember, balance is key. Your passive income machine should fit smoothly into your military life, never interfering with your main duties. Keep checking your systems, make small tweaks, and watch your income grow steadily. Ready to get started? Hit that link in the description below, and I'll show you step-by-step exactly how to build your own passive income machine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow veterans. Until next time, keep building your dreams.